Hello guys, when it comes to 5 or 6 day ride, जब आप प्लान करते हैं और आपको लगेज ले जाना होता है उसके साथ, so it's very different from what we do or carry. Of course we carry similar things, our clothes and all, but it's different the way we organize and arrange them. So in a typical scenario, आप क्या क्या रख सकते हैं ऑन अ बाइक? सामने टैंक बैग रख सकते हैं, साइड में 2 सैडल बैग्स, व्हाट यू कैन सी ऑन द राइट साइड हियर, एंड इफ यू हैव अ प्रोविजन ऑफ टॉप रैक और सो या टेल रैक लगा सकते हैं, टॉप रैक लगा सकते हैं.
Before you do anything, list down all your stuff what you need. It could be paperwork, it could be your personal stuff which you will be requiring to carry. Then you need riding stuff to be carried, like foot pumps, bike cover, or bungee cords and things like that. Then any food, medicines what you will require. A lot of electronics, because nowadays we use mobile chargers, and if you are using intercoms, you need chargers for those. If you are using GoPro, then you need that as well. So list down each and everything in a simple spreadsheet, and then if based on the number of bags you are carrying, then we'll start to organize those according to you can list down and put the bag name besides those, which bag you will like to carry what things.
So एक टैंक बैग में एक बाहर पाउच होता है जिसमें कि आप it's good. I have put in emergency number, contact number, my blood group on this transparent sheet. So if something an unfortunate incidents happens, then people can refer this sheet. There are some pockets here which can be used to keep if you're maintaining a diary or something. I have just kept a small diary out there. Can have a power bank because टैंक पे लगा होता है और आपका मोबाइल, अगर if you are having a mobile holder, you can connect typically a power bank and use this cable. So I have decided to use this via this pouch. इसके अंदर typically जैसे मैंने बताया कि इसमें 25 to 30 liters of space है. So generally मैं personal belongings जो मुझे immediate लग सकती हैं during the ride, I'll keep it in this bag. So एक टॉयलेट बैग जिसके अंदर फेस वॉश वगैरह है, वो that can be that I'm keeping in this. Then all my papers, the vehicle papers and small nitty gritties which may be required during the ride, like face mask or some of the other things will be kept here, so they are handy and accessible. तो ये सारी चीज़ें मैं इस छोटे टैंक बैग में रखा हुआ हूँ, जिसमें कि किसी couple of caps, because we are 2 riders, so we'll need caps, may need cap during the journey, or और अगर हम कभी कहीं स्टे कर रहे हैं और if you are going for a hiking or something or on a different route, so we don't need to carry all the stuff, so I can just manage by this bag. This is also a tank bag and it's magnetic, so by using this I can manage things. इसके अलावा एक spare power bank or a waste pouch which may be needed again during a ride, or it may contain things like comb or something which is needed on the fly, money and things like that. And then gloves for if you are 2 riders, then the gloves, so you may not always be wearing a glove, so if you're not using it, then it can go in. Then I'm carrying some GoPro accessories, so that will come in this pouch. Any spare glasses or sunglasses can also go in this bag. In addition to this the most important thing is you should carry some snack bars or mouth fresheners and things like that, which you may need during the ride. So these side bags are very useful for that. And this bag has a cover which is basically a rain cover, but it can be put during the ride so that the bag doesn't get dirty with the dust and all. Because it's the start of winter, I'm not very sure kaisa weather hoga. Today is 15th of November 2020, so tomorrow I'm starting my ride. So I'm not very sure how the weather would be. So it's a good idea to carry couple of woolen caps. Also kept in couple of handkerchiefs and napkins in this. It's up to you, like how you want to or what you feel important. For me also, once I'm on the ride, so I'll discover probably what is a better option to be kept in the tank bag, because that's something which is very accessible to you. You have to just stop your bike and just quickly open it and take out the stuff. So this is about the tank bag. So this bag is an expandable bag. So basically it's about 24-25 liters without expanding. And because my ride is a longer ride and I need to carry more stuff, so मैंने इसको expand कर लिया है. And this also converts into a backpack. So suppose you have to carry, you want to use this as a backpack, can use it when you are not riding. And you can see these magnetic magnets out here. So they are there on all four sides, so which sticks to the tank very well. And then there is one on the back as well. So it's pretty safe to carry this tank bag. It just sticks very well with on the tank. I've tested it out. This is my tail bag. टेल बैग में मैंने एक पीछे टॉप रैक लगाया हुआ है जो मेटल का है. सो आई कैन फिक्स अ टॉप बॉक्स विच इज typically ABS plastic based top box, but I have decided to use this tank bag with a couple of reasons. Because this is magnetic. Again, this can be used as a tank bag as a tank bag as well as the tail bag. So I decided to use this tank bag as a tail bag, जो कि पीछे लग जाएगा, क्योंकि मेरा जो कैरियर है और जो टॉप रैक है वो एक मेटलिक है. सो ये इसमें जो मैग्नेट्स हैं ये बहुत अच्छे से स्टिक हो जाते हैं. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई ऑल्सो विल पुट अ बंजी कॉर्ड अराउंड दिस बैग सो दैट उसको एक एक्स्ट्रा सपोर्ट मिल जाए. इस टैंक बैग में बहुत हैवी चीज़ें नहीं रख सकते, क्योंकि टिपिकली जो एक टॉप रैक है जो मैंने लगाया उसमें 5 से 6 किलो तक का वज़न वो इजीली ले लेता है. तो टिपिकली इसमें शूज़, आपके जो भी स्लीपर्स हैं या whatever socks and things like that can be carried in this, which are needed but not on a priority basis. Along with that, you need to carry some of the riding stuff like foot pump that can be kept in this as well. I have also kept some bungee cords inside this bag, and still more things can go on. Again, this is a air pump for my seat to put in some air. This is an extra bag. Suppose I have to carry a wet clothes or something and put in this. This is a bag which contains balaclava. So both the riders will be wearing balaclava inside the helmet. Something like it helps in during the longer rides. It makes wearing a helmet more comfortable. So it's recommended to wear a balaclava. And these are the helmet bags, which also I'll keep in this bag. Reason being, suppose you are riding somewhere and you have stopped and you have to carry around your helmet. So carrying these bags, helmet bags, helps in carrying the helmet. Otherwise you have to hold them in your hand. So this is the way I have arranged the tank pack, and typically this will not be used once you put it on your bike. Then this will not be taken out, or stuff generally won't be taken out of this bag. So this is also close to 30 liters on expansion, and it also has a rain cover, dust cover, which I will be putting down during my ride so that the bag doesn't get dirty. ये सैडल बैग्स हैं जो बाइक के साइड में आ जाते हैं, दोनों साइड, एंड टिपिकली आपका जो मेजर क्लोथ्स हैं वो सब चीज़ें आई हैव ट्राइड टू अरेंज इन दिस, एंड इट कैन टेक गुड स्टफ, गुड वेट एज वेल. हम लोग 2 राइडर्स हैं, बेसिकली मी एंड माई वाइफ एज अ पिलियन, सो वी विल हैव टेकन 1 each for our personal belongings, mainly clothes I have been arranged in this. There are few things which we have fitted. There are belts, so I'm carrying an extra elbow guard in case I'm feeling hot and I don't use the jacket, so I can put my jacket on top of the tail bag and tie it up with bungee cord and use these elbow guards instead. This is a small stool, folding stool, which in case of emergency somewhere we have to stop over, so we can make use of this folding stool. Similarly, we have another bag. This is a hydration bag, so this typically we can fill in water in this, and during the ride if you feel thirsty, you don't need to stop, or even if you stop, you need to take out your helmet. You just can drink water through this. You can either put it on your back, or you can, I'm thinking if I'm not using it, I'll put it on top of this, tie it up with these 2 belts. This is a good 3 liter, can contain 3 liter water, and there are some pouches as well. You can put in some food stuff, so even if you are going for a hike or trek, you can carry this when you are not on your bike. So this has a front pocket, so it has a main pocket which I'll show you. That's a dry stack bag, so all your stuff comes in. There is a front pocket where we'll be keeping the cover of these bags, as well as in the other bag I'll be keeping the bike cover, which is also needed whenever we are stopping over to keep bike safe. Similarly, there is a side pocket, so I'm keeping a small jacket, a kind of wind cheater, because winters have just started. So if you are going in the morning or evening hours when it's getting chilly, you can use it. On this side there are bottle holders. I think they can take in pretty big bottles, probably 1.5-2 liters as well. We will be carrying those bottles in these 2 slots. So this also, as I said, this also has a rain cover or dust cover. So once we have put in the saddleback on the bike, and I'll just pull it over these bags so that the bags are kept nice and clean during the ride. The main compartment is a dry stack bag, so it's like there are 2 folds, and there is an inner liner bag which is nice fluorescent color, so we can distinguish the items inside. And this is also detachable. You can take this thing out, and this is typically the way things are arranged. And I like to maximize the space. Better way to put your clothes is by rolling them over, so that you can squeeze in more stuff like this. To just roll the shirts, t-shirts and pants and keep them. There are like 4 or 5 t-shirts to come in this much space. So this is it. This is the way to arrange a typical saddle bag